Meaning of far.
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 Far. The word far is an adverb that indicates distance or extent beyond a certain point. It can describe physical or metaphorical distance, such as being far away from a location or far apart in terms of opinions. The concept of far contrasts with the idea of near or close. Additionally, the word far can also suggest a degree or amount, such as how far someone has progressed in their career or how far they are willing to go to achieve a goal. Overall, far connotes a sense of space, distance, and scope.